What it do, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karabo. For some of you guys who are new here, welcome. First things first, thank you so much for the love and the support that you guys have shown me throughout that birthday challenge series. It was incredible. Tiring, I don't want to lie, but very incredible. I enjoyed it. I love the rush. I love just creating content, you know, just like that, and then uploading it, and then you guys loving it as well. So I appreciate you for supporting and also just kind of like being in that type of vibe with me. And while we're still on that topic, I just want to ask you guys for one tiny little favor. Please leave in the comment section down below which videos stood out for you out of those 7 videos that I uploaded. Give me an idea of what you would like to see from me so that I can start creating content that is relevant to you, as well as beneficial and not forgetting fun or entertaining. Okay? Awesome. I want you to get value out of your watch time here on my channel. So let me know which videos you've enjoyed the most and which videos you'd like for me to continue creating in order for you to stay entertained and find value in my content. Without any much more further to do and say, let's get straight into this video. I've done an essence video, full face of essence video before, and right now I just want to do this again because of the beautiful present that I got from my friend. So I just want to like incorporate essence products inside of this because they are quite affordable. As you guys already know, they are very affordable. They still lack when it comes to Black Lives Matter. I'm kidding. No, but they still lack when it comes to the range of products or range of shades for people of color and so on and so forth. So today I'm just going to incorporate all of their products because I know that these are products that most of you guys will be able to afford, and I'm pretty sure that you guys use a lot of essence products already. So yeah, I don't know how many times I said so, but anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do that today. As you guys already know, I'm gonna go in with my Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Primer. I don't think I'll ever use anything else unless I am gifted, of course. I actually put a lot of primer. This is a lot. This is a lot. Next I'm gonna go in with this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. I use this in literally every makeup look I go for because it kind of gives you that healthy glow type of vibe, and I keep saying that the healthy glow is great. Okay, it's great. So applying an illuminating primer under your foundation is a great idea if you want to get that natural healthy glow, or if you want to intensify the glow, like when you apply your highlighter and whatever. If you want to intensify that, I suggest you apply an illuminating primer underneath your foundation. It works like magic. Great. Next I'm gonna go in with this powder. I do have an essence powder. I just don't know where it is. I really can't find some of my makeup, which kind of worries me a little bit, but I don't know where it is. I'm gonna use my Ella Girl Pro powder in the shade Banana Yellow as per usual. And for eyebrows today, I'm gonna use this Essence Super Last 24-Hour Eyebrow Pomade Pencil, which is waterproof, so they say. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because I don't want the pressure. I don't want the pressure, okay? See ya. So I'm gonna start with the eyes today because it's pretty much the reason why I got up and took a shower and did my hair and all that stuff and decided to film, is because of this eyeshadow palette. I have a new eyeshadow palette, yay, woo woo! Thanks to my beautiful friend Miranda. She got me this for my birthday. This is from Essence. It's called Which Side, and this is what I love about it. Look at this. Look at all the magic that happens. Can you see that? And then the eyes are closed, eyes open. So this palette has a mirror up on top, and then it has 15 shades. So I'm gonna go with the brown and the golds and all of that stuff. That's the shadow we're gonna go for today. Okay, cool. So let me just open it officially because I haven't opened it. Here we go. Ooh, maybe you'll see them properly like this. Okay, let me just moisturize my lips. Okay, before I start, I'm going to go in with my Essence Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. because I want the shades to pop a little bit more. Once this is done, I'm going to pick up the Supernatural shade, which is this cute shade over here. It's like a very light brown. I'm going to start with this as my ooh, look at that. It just picked it up so quickly. I'm going to pick this up. I'm glad that this has a mirror. It makes life so much easier for me. I'm going to go for this one over here, Spell. Okay, now I'm going to cut my crease using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. I haven't cut my crease in a long time, so this is going to be quite messy, I think. Cool. I think I'm gonna start with Enchanted and then move on to this one over here, Shadowy. I'm going to pick up Potion now and try to blend these two together with it. Oops! Do I want to do that? I don't know. This is super pigmented. I didn't think it would be that pigmented. I'm just going to take my mascara. Favorite Essence All Eyes on Me. This is my ultimate favorite mascara from Essence, from anywhere actually. I really love this mascara. I was glad when I found it at Discam. I hardly ever find it. Okay, cool. So now I'm just gonna pop on some eyelashes and then we're gonna come back and finish up the makeup look. Okay, so I am back. My eyes are a bit red because I poked my eye while I was trying to put on this eyelash. Anyway, let's get to it. Foundation. For foundation today, I am going to be using the Essence Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup, like I mentioned, in the shade 90, which is Lovely Mocha. I'm not crazy about this shade right now. I'm not crazy. It has like pretty much the undertone is off-ish because I think the foundation itself is not a warm undertone. The undertone is not warm, so I'm not crazy about this shade. maybe it's the undertone, or yeah, maybe it's the undertone. It just needs to be a little bit more golden. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, because this is leaning towards the gray side compared to my neck and my chest. My chest is a bit golden. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a difference with the undertone. But now I think we are good. I'm just going to then start to contour and highlight my face, and to do so, of course, I'm going to be reaching for my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealers. The first concealer that I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to start with contouring today instead of highlighting. So someone actually start with contouring first before highlighting, so I'm going to try and do that today. And to contour, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Espresso. I'm going to pop it right there. I really don't have like a forehead because of this hair, but it looks red on camera, like a reddish brown. Anyway, whatever. I'm gonna go for it. Okay, cool. So now I'm just going to highlight my face, and to do so I'm going to pick up the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, which I think is going to be a bit dark. I don't know as yet, but we'll see. But yeah. Yeah, I think this was going to be a bit too light. I mean, closer to my skin tone. I think I'm going to add a little bit of this creamy beige, I think. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush once again and just kind of like blend between these two on these edges and there, just so that it's not too harsh. And these edges, make sure that it's nice and blended, and also up here, just to make sure everything is nicely blended. Ugh. Now using my powder, LA Girl Pro powder in the shade Banana Yellow, just going to set under here. I'm gonna go for, of course, this brown and this orange. Guys, there's nothing much I can do about this palette. It's gonna be this dirty forever now, so please don't kill me. And I'll drag it all up. Just to bring a little bit more color, you know? Okay, cool. So for lips today, I'm going to go in with the Palladio lip liner in the shade Walnut. As per usual, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm gonna add that right here. Okay, awesome. I am happy. This, and right now what I'm going to do is comb out this hair. Awesome, so this is the final look, guys. I actually really love this. I don't know why I gravitate towards this eye look every single time I do anything that has to do with Essence Cosmetics. I'm really not too sure. Maybe this is because this is like the safe look to go for when it comes to me, because I'm still learning how to do this whole cut crease vibe. But yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and you learned something from it. I really hope you did. But most importantly, I hope that you found this valuable, and if you did, don't forget to click onto that like button and leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so by now. With that said, I want to wish you guys love, joy, peace, happiness and greatness, of course, but most importantly, blessings directly from above onto you and yours. Till we meet again in the next video, of course. Mwah. Goodbye.